Hi everyone, my name is Adarsh Mishra and you are watching Youth Nation Coders. Today we are going to solve one more problem on CodeChef and our today's problem is chef and reminiscence. So the problem code for this particular question is REMISS. So the problem code as well as the solution of this problem you can get it in description box below. So what this problem is all about, chef is now a corporate person and he has to attend office regularly. But chef does not want to go to office, rather he wants to stay home and discover different recipes and cook them. In the office where chef works, he has two guards who count how many times a person enters into the office building. Though the duty of a guard is 24 hours in a day, but sometimes they fall asleep during their duty and could not track the entry of a person in the office building. But one better thing is they never fall asleep at the same time. It means one guard out of both of them is still awake to check whether who is entering the office or who is leaving the office. At least one of them remains awake and counts who enters into the office. Now, boss of chef wants to calculate how many times chef has entered into the building. So he will obviously ask to the both of those guards, and he asked to the guard, and they gave him two integers a and b. Means the count of occurrence, or you can say the occurrence of the chef in that particular office, which is seen by the first guard, is a, and the count of the chef which is observed by the second guard is here b. So the guard will give the values a and b respectively. Both guard will give their own values, that how many times they have seen the chef if he enters the building or not, and help the boss to count the minimum and maximum number of times chef could have entered into the office building. Okay, so this time boss is just watching whether what these watchmen are going to give him as a result, and he want us to find out how many times the chef has entered into the office building. So the input as first line of input contains integer t denoting the number of test cases, and each test case consists of a line by two separated integers, like by guard 1 and guard 2, the number of occurrence they have seen the particular person, the chef, whether he enters a building or not. It is given by a and b, and output is for each test case output a single line containing two separated integers, the minimum and maximum number of times chef could have entered into the office building. Okay, so example is for test case 1 we have 19 and 17, means the guard 1 has saw chef 19 times and guard 2 has seen the chef for 17 times. That means we have to provide minimum number of time and a maximum number of time whether chef has entered the building or not. So we have to think about it and we have to develop a logic to solve this problem. So let us assume that it is obvious that if watchman 1 has seen chef 19 times and watchman number 2 has seen chef 17 times, this means one of them was sleeping and either one of them was awakened at some point of time when chef has entered the building, because both of their values are not same. This means if watchman 1 has seen chef entering the building 19 number of times, so let us assume that watchman number 2 was sleeping. And when watchman number 2 has seen chef entering the building 17 number of times, let us assume that watchman 1 was sleeping. So minimum number of time the chef can enter the building is, so he has seen him 19 times and the second one has seen him 17 times. That means minimum number of times chef has entered is equivalent to the number of time any of the watchmen has seen him. That means minimum number can be fetched by the maximum of the values which are provided by each one of the guards. That means if guard 1 has seen chef 19 times and guard 2 has seen chef 17 times, then it is obvious that minimum number of time is 19, because guard 1 has seen him entering the building. That means how can we calculate minimum? I should write here, minimum will be calculated by maximum of A and B. Then what is our second task? Maximum number of times the chef has entered the building. So we can get that by, let us assume that both of them were sleeping, either one of them was sleeping. Like for the first time, the watchman A or the guard A was sleeping, then guard B was watching the chef. Then how many times the chef has entered while the guard 2 was still awake? 70 number of times. And let us assume that guard 2 is just gone for sleep and guard 1 is still awake. Then in that case, 19 number of times he has seen our chef that he is entering the building. That means both guards have seen individually while the other one was sleeping. So maximum number of time chef can enter is 19 plus 17. Let us assume that uh, on that particular day, either one of them was sleeping and one of them was watching simply. So 19 plus 17 is the maximum number of times chef can go to that building. So to calculate the maximum value, maximum occurrence, we will find A plus B. So this is our scenario. We have developed the logic from here. The first thing is they are giving us the number of test cases as input. So let me write it inside integer because that is the integer value. Then what we are going to do, we are going to iterate test case number of times, like t number of times, and every time we will do some task and we will reduce the value of test cases. What is that task? They are going to give us two values A and B. Both are separated by space. Means we are getting some input. If they are separated by space, then we will split them into two halves, and then we will ask our map function to convert all the values into integer and store them into A and B respectively. Simple. Then what we have to do, we have to print two values. The first value is minimum number of time chef has entered that building. So it can be found out by easily maximum of A and B. So we can use max function here, maximum of A comma B. Then what is the second value which we have to print? What is the maximum number of time chef can enter the building? It will be A plus B times, so A plus B simply. So let's see whether this code runs or not. We are going to check for the same test case which we have provided in our question. So here the answer is 19 and 36, and it is similar to the output which we are getting here. So this is how we can easily complete Chef and Remissness on CodeChef. Click on these videos right here and be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.